Hi friends, good morning. Today me and Omlanda both are going to another location. It's around probably around 70 kilometers. I am not sure, but it's not very far off. And it's a very uncommon destination. The name of this place is Jhikira. And there are two villages nearby, Jhikira and Rautala. Omlanda will be waiting in front of PG hospital, and we will go from there. It's near Amta. I hope it will be a new discovery because I don't know anything of Jhikira as of now. We have to explore the place and we'll come to know about many things. বলছি উলবেড়িয়ার ক্রস করে আজাদিন ধাবা আছে, ওখানে ব্রেকফাস্ট করব, ঠিক আছে? After meeting Omlandash, we started again. We're crossing the second Bhogli bridge now. It should take around the total drive time will be around 1 hour, approximately 1 hour. So it's dahi, aloo paratha, achar, sugar, and tea will be on its way. So the route is after crossing Bagnan, we got to take the Manpur road, and from Manpur road, just after 5 kilometers, you have to take another right turn, which is called the Jaipur road. Now this Jaipur road will you have to go for around 15 kilometers on the Jaipur road, and this area is so beautiful, isn't it? Look at the view. That's really nice. Lovely road. So this is the Jaipur road, and it will reach you to the destination. Jaipur is 10 kilometers. I don't know which Jaipur is this. Previously we had a ride to Jaipur, that was the Jaipur forest, but that was in Bankura. I think we have to, because it is showing that it is more than 10 kilometers as of now, so we have to take another road after this, I suppose. After crossing Jaipur, we'll reach a three-way crossing. You have to take left from there, and from there it will take around 4 kilometers to reach Jhikira. Yes, we have reached the destination. This is the main market area of Jhikira. Now we have to ask the locals to find that those temples and the Rajbadi or the Jomidar Badi.
এটা হচ্ছে কামারসান মোড়, এই সামনে মোড় পড়বে কামারসান মোড়,
হ্যাঁ,
পরে পড়বে পাম্পেটর,
হ্যাঁ।
তারপরে ওখানে বাজারে ঢোকার জন্য রাস্তা আছে একটা।
So friends, the exploration has already started. We are actually amid nowhere. We need to find the places out. And this is also a bit of learning. Definitely exploring a region. Let's go. Let's see how it works. দাদা রায়দের বাড়ি কোন দিকে? রায়বাড়ি, রাজবাড়ি, জমিদার বাড়ি যেটা, হ্যাঁ? কোন দিকে, এই পাশ দিয়ে যাবো? This is the Rai Mansion. These are the temples. This is the Rashmancha. Wow, looks fantastic here. This is the Damodar temple of the Rai family. It has been reconstructed to a Barochala temple, which was originally an Artchala with a shikhar on the top. But as with all other renovations in our country, this has been made in a shortcut. The terracotta panels depicts the stories of Ramayana, Krishna Lila and the life of ordinary people of those times. The foundation stone gives us the age of the temple as is about the middle of the 18th century. In front of the Roy mansion, this is the Dol Moncho with terracotta panels on it. This Roy mansion belongs to Krishnapada Roy, third son of Jibon Krishna Roy, who founded the Jomidari out here. It has been newly painted, although it looks good in picture, but it has lost its old world charm. The motifs of the building gives a blend of European and Indian architecture. The pillars are a mixture of Corinthian pillars and Hindu icons. This is the Rath used in Rath Yatra. The Rath is decorated with beautiful paintings and motifs depicting stories of Ramayana and Krishna Lila. The other mansion is almost in its original form. This is a peacock with its broken head. The arch is of European style. There are stuccos of mythological characters, gods and goddesses. The bigger and the bolder stucco works define the love for art and religion. Its blend of European structures and Hindu motifs makes these buildings so interesting to watch. It hosts a tutorial home that has been started by Mr. Shunil Chakraborty and after his death is run by his son. Premises of this mansion has been given on a nominal rent for this ongoing philanthropic activity.
এর দামি এই 40 বছর এই জায়গাটা আমার ভাড়াটিয়া সুনীল চক্রবর্তী।
আপনি ওনার ছেলে?
তার নামে
The rooms of this mansion has been beautifully painted, although most of these have denuded with time and leaving only a few for us to witness. কোন ক্লাস পড়ানো হয় এখানে?
জমিদারি চরিত্রে যে আমার ওই জীবন কৃষ্ণ রায় আমার ঠাকুরদাদের বাবা বিচালির কাজ।
Mr. Jibon Krishna Roy had a business of straw and hay. He amassed wealth from his business with Bardhaman Maharaja and got this area as a Pattani from him. He had 5 sons. I could get the names of only 4 sons of them: Rajkrishna Roy, Krishnapada Roy, Radha Krishna Roy and Haridas Roy.
বছর একবার গিয়ে দিতে হতো। জীবন কৃষ্ণের 5 পুত্র, রাজকৃষ্ণ রায়, এক মিনিট, ওইখানে ভেতর করা রয়েছে গো, সিন্ধুদার দাদুর নাম বলতে পারবে? ভুলে গেছি, আমার স্মরণে রাজকৃষ্ণ হচ্ছে বড়, মেজ হচ্ছে সেজ হচ্ছে কৃষ্ণপদ রায়, ন হচ্ছে রাধাকৃষ্ণ রায়, ছোট হচ্ছে হরিদাস রায়। হরিদাসের ছোট, আর মেজ হচ্ছে
একটা মিস হয়ে গেছে।
ঠাকুর দাদা বাবা কৃষ্ণনগরে গিয়েছিলেন।
The most celebrated festival here is Katyayani Pujo, which happens in the month of Ogran of the Bengali year, which is actually after 2 months of Durga Puja. It was introduced by Jibon Krishna Roy by getting inspired from the same at Bardhaman. The idol looks the same as Durga, only its color is white. The celebrations are same as Durga Puja, which also happens for 4 days. Katyayani Pujo is celebrated in 3 places in West Bengal, of which one is out here.
সরস্বতী, লক্ষ্মী, গণেশ,
আমি ওনাকে সেটাই জিজ্ঞাসা করছিলাম, পুরো দুর্গার মতো
এক মিনিটে হয়, এক মিনিটে। বাগবাজারে যে বাগবাজারে সার্বজনীন দুর্গা পুজো হয়েছে, রাধাকৃষ্ণ রায়,
আপনার ঠাকুর
নলিনী মন্ডল আমার বাবা, রাধাকৃষ্ণ রায় আমার ঠাকুর দাদা, তার এবার এই যে 4 পুরুষ বলছে না, জীবন কৃষ্ণ রায়, তার পুত্র হচ্ছে রাধাকৃষ্ণ রায়, তার পুত্র হচ্ছে নলিনী মন্ডল, তার পুত্র সুকান্ত রায়, এই নলিনী মন্ডলের পুত্র।
After Rautara, we are off to visit Jikira, which is on the opposite side of the main road. So friends, we are done with the Roy Mansion of Rautara, and now we will be moving on in search of some other temples. We got some directions from here where to search for the temples. Let's see how it works. Western Mart কোথা দিয়ে? Western Mart আগের মোড় দিয়ে ডান দিকে। Jikira has various temples like Damodar Temple, Sitaram Temple, etc. This is the Shitanath Temple of Kangarpara. This is the Deul style constructed Tulsi Moncho. And this is its Dol Moncho. অনেক ধন্যবাদ, চায়ের জন্য আরো বেশি ধন্যবাদ। such is the colors of this country, India. Just a simple ride within this country, you'll find so many things happening. Well, this ends our today's ride. As I had promised you before, this was a very short ride, and I didn't bore you for long. We are heading back for Kolkata now. It will take approximately 2 hours. On this note, I am ending this video. Hope you have liked it. Press the like icon, and those who haven't subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe and keep getting updates for new videos. Thank you for now, and goodbye.